Must have not been parked. Is anyone here seriously hurt?
No. I don't know.
511.
You say he across the street or in the car? Alright.
You can cancel 326 and 328. I'll go with 517.
Well, where's the car that where's the trailer with the truck?
He left. He fled the scene.
Who was that?
We don't know. We just heard it from this is our house, and we just heard it.
Oh, do you think this isn't from the trailer? That's from your car.
From my,
Yeah.
I'm checking out one on the north side of Motel 6. Got the VIN covered in a dealership tag.
This is our car.
Copy in Western, no apparent injuries. One driver on scene, possibly impaired at 2246.
181.
For disorderly and hard-marked Cub, a shoplifter was pushing staff and overheard that he's going to come back and shoot them. White male, early 30s, 6 foot, thin build, wearing a blue ski mask, tan jacket, dark sweatpants, currently leading towards White and 5187 Tango, copy for both.
Are any of these in the drivers or they're all parked cars? This gentleman here is the driver, but he's drunk, but he's fine. We're probably going to take him. So is this car and then get all these other parts?
2755. The striking vehicle here is Oklahoma Lima Romeo Golf 595. And the truck that supposedly fled was uninvolved in the accident.
Hi, 2 seconds out. Yeah, we're on the north side parking lot. Copy, truck that fled was not involved at 2248.
Medics coming over here.
We actually got cancellation.
Copy that. Thank you.
He went to get my grandma.
Eight 39 Cleveland Avenue South Radio.
28.
A white female in a wheelchair arguing with a male. The male
I'm seeing that truck is impaired. Yeah, I'm feeling struggling.
We're all good here, Joe. Copy, 2250.
Got it.
Couldn't have gone anywhere anyways. Like she got all 4 flat tires.
clear. The caller last stated the parties got on a bus and left. Copy, 10-8. 2251.
111 Tango. 228 Tango.
111 Tango.
Clear, unfounded. 228 Tango. 6.
2251.
228 Tango. Can you check that?
Can you go again for 228 Tango?
He's gonna come and talk to you guys. Confirm that he was the driver. But we're gonna go, I think. As soon as the
Yeah, I told him pull up and take our spot.
yeah, but I gotta make sure those firefighters have.
Ashley, come over here. I got he's gonna try to check the bid on this car. The color doesn't match, and they've conveniently put the parking pass rate in the VIN. Copy.
Well, look at those firefighters clean up the road. Let's give them a big shout out. Give
Absolutely.
them a big shout out. Cleaning up the road.
St. Paul Fire Department on the case.
We're pointing out how not only do you fight fires, but you fight street messes too. So that's awesome. St. Paul Fire. Got a medic rig plus a fire rig. In case gasoline leaks out of any cars, they come and neutralize the gasoline, but they're up.
Absolutely.
What are you gonna do?
I'm going to let them know the backseaters are appreciating them.
Okay. You're at it.
The backseaters are expressing their appreciation to the St. Paul
for you
Fire
guys.
Department.
Thank you. Chief Inks, you should appreciate. Hey, what rig?
Ladder 22.
22. Ladder 22.
Ladder 22.
Ladder 22. There we go. Fortunately, no one was hurt because it was parked cars. So the gentleman driving that car obviously has smelled of alcohol, right, Pat?
Yeah.
So the St. Paul Police Department's they're giving him a field sobriety test. And he will be going to jail for driving while intoxicated.
218.
We were at November Papa Bravo 788.
Sue, I'm assuming.
It's
Copy. 2254.